You won't believe this. In 2025, Canva AI can design anything for you in seconds. No graphic design degree, no expensive software, just one free tool that can turn a complete beginner into a pro instantly. And today I am showing you exactly how to go from zero to expert in minutes. To create Canva AI images, simply go on Google and type Canva AI and enter. The first tool, Canva free AI image generator online text to image app. Open in a right button or open directly. Free online AI images. Okay, AI image generator, but we need what? We need Canva Magic. Meet Magic Studio. Canva.com/magic and the URL is canva.com/magic. Okay. Now scroll down and you will find a box where you can create a prompt. Okay, create an image from a prompt. Now let's generate image. For that you need a prompt. Here we paste the prompt. Okay, let me see you the prompt. What is our prompt? Create an Instagram post with a success quote in a minimal style using violet and white color scheme and generate AI images. Here is my post ready and there is some time to ready the post. We will wait some time. Okay. These are the posts. Wow, we need all, right? We need all the images. I will pick one by one. The third one and the fourth one. Okay, let's see what they give us. Okay, the first one is there is some problem with the text, but you can edit it. Okay, you can easily edit it from the code. Okay, the next one is, just see how the next one. Okay, the third one. And the fourth one. Okay, there is no problem with the design and color and font. There is some problem with a text. Okay, and if you need, you can change the text. Here we can apply some trick. How? There is element option and here is a shape. We need to place the shape and change the color, then drag it over the text. Okay, fine. Now here we can place our text. Okay, let's see. Have a good day. Okay, and here is our nice post. So in that way we can edit all the backgrounds, all the written backgrounds are so nice, but the problem with font and spelling, we can replace them easily. Okay, in Canva AI we can create so many things, just like image coding and the blog writing and many more. Okay, there are so many templates here, designs here, create an image, and you also create a video also. Here are there more products like Magic Design that we create some time ago, Magic Write, text to image, AI code generator, AI video editor, business name generator, etc. Let's try Magic Write. Try Magic Write. Okay, So here we can start with a heading, like heading, okay, how to make a cup of coffee. Then here we can add bar, drop down, quote, bullet list, sheet, table, anything we can include here. You can include design here also. Let's see what others we can do with Canva AI. Here a streaming mug of coffee with heart latte art, okay, this is style. Then images, these images we can generate with Canva. So much powerful, so much elegant, and so much beautiful design. Okay, you can generate this too. See, you don't need years of design experience to create something that looks professional. Canva AI just made you a designer in minutes. Now it's your turn. Open Canva AI, try these tricks, and start creating designs that will wow everyone. Now, if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let's make 2025 the year your creativity explodes.